I'd expect nothing less from a member of FUBAR.
So yeah. Done. Pew pew! Pew pew pew! Surrender! One more? Maybe? Hey. They'll never suspect us.
Maybe that guy did that.
They'll never suspect us.
Somebody splashed that way. I don't want to. Brett, there's a guy up here to go right.
That's good. That's good. Dude, did they? Oh, I guess this is Nam. Vietnam. Oh, hot damn. Enemy ahead of us. It's literally right in front of us, by the way. Right fucking in front of us. Get back, get back. No? Can't hit shit, Wade. Woo! That is sexy. Sexy lady. Okay. We got Eddie up here somewhere. Yep. Eddie's up here ahead of us. What you got, Josh? So what you got? Eddie's up here ahead of us. Actually, Cody's going after him, I guess. Did you get him yet? Go. Oh shit, Rod, you're on my team now, genius. One, a two, a three, 4, 5, shut your mouth, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I knew you were over here. Trying to find you. I think Rod was shooting at me. He like tried to gun me down. Rod, didn't you switch to blue? I'm blue. We've been clearing across.
Yeah, so that's it? Is that it? Is it? Okay, it's not my fault, Brent. They made me shoot you. They didn't even call games.
Assholes.
Sorry, bro. I got you shot at me. Huh?
Yeah, I was like, Rod.
See somebody red right
When I was over here, I look over and I see you, and you just like, I was like, oh shit, and I was like, no, I was like, wait a minute, Rod, you're on my team.
If we all
Like, damn it, Rod.
They got you too, Eddie?
Switch it up.
Yeah.
Run it again.
All the winners. Fix it. We all get lit up right here. I think it's some bullshit.
Yeah, fuck off. Bitch. I think we're all out of range of each other. So I think we're all still out of range of each other. We're just shooting as much as we can see each other. Yeah, they're coming closer. What? What? What?
Stay down, stay down, stay down.
Oh.
7.
Fuck. Speak words. You dead? Hey Ron, you die? You said no? You're not dead? Oh! Damn it, Rod! Damn it, Rod, every time! If it means anything, I'm sorry. I knew it. I knew it. Alex. Okay, all right. It was going everywhere, man.
He's laid the hammer on me, and I didn't get hit by one, dude. The trees are freaking not having it.
Yeah. That brush is nuts.
I literally just laid down right here. I was like, it's gonna hit.
I was like, I'll just keep shooting until he calls it. I'll get him eventually.
Your eyes. And then I was like, oh crap. And he's right there.
Dude,
Like,
he
Yeah.
slammed you.
I ran past it. So I was like, oh God.
Everybody,
had my gun on Ryan and you were like,
everybody
was that
said
nuts?
I
Did
thought
you
he
get
was
a shot at him?
Did he
Well,
want to get Eddie?
I mean, I didn't feel or hear anything, so I don't know, man. I mean, I know I was running, so it could have like flown off or something, but I mean, I was waiting when we started shooting. I just took off running, so I was expecting someone to be there.
I saw you over here, and I was like, he's gonna come, so I laid down, and you ran, and I was shooting in front of you, and I was pegging you, and over here I saw your head, and I was shooting at your head.
Yeah, I don't know, man. That brush is crazy. It blocks like everything. I mean, I promise you, like, I didn't feel or hear anything, so I was. No, so I was like, how am I still alive?
Eddie's probably still in.
He wasn't standing up there.
You get Will?
I get you, Will? No, he got me.
Oh.
Yeah.
We seen y'all too. We seen you go in the woods. This dude just keeps finding me out here. I don't know how. He's like, it's always me and that guy. They thought I was dead, but I wasn't saying medic. I was just on my knees, you know, like standing, and then I was walked off and I just shot right in his ass.
Well, yeah, so I'm gonna go look for him.